Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be testing these water diyas. These are battery operated. So let's check what we have got here. So we get 6 pieces in one pack. I got this in offer. It costed around 10 rupees per piece. Just add water and it will start to glow. It already has battery installed inside. So they have sent mixed items. Some are lighting yellow and some are lighting white. Remove the water to turn it off. So now let's quickly check what's inside these diyas. You can open it like this. So inside we have 3 button cells here. So it's operating on 4.5 volt. One button cell is 1.5 volt, and we have one transistor here. So you touch the leg of the transistor and it passes current to the LED. This is a very small circuit here.